Hey guys, so in today's video, we are going to be getting things done around the house. So I'm having guests this weekend, so I need the house to be clean and spring ready. So like I said, we will be all around the house. I'm going to start on the outside, and then we're going to move all around the home, and then you will see how everything turned out at the end. So we are here in my dining room, and this is one of the major areas that I will be working on. So we will have extra guests here for dinner, and the dining room is the one area that will be able to accommodate everyone. And as you can see in the back, I have the 2 leaves for the table, and I need to get them painted. And so the original color was brown. And obviously, I'm just going to paint them both out to the ivory color. You may have noticed something else that came back into the space, and that is the mercury glass lamps. So yeah, I will be bringing in touches of spring around the home. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so now the table has been painted. And now I'm going to give it 2 coats of this clear matte polyurethane. Okay, so the table turned out great, and I will be doing a tablescape for this weekend, but I don't have everything that I need, and so that tablescape will come a little later. But for now, I'll be adding a few spring touches to the buffet. Okay, so do you guys remember the flowers from the recent video? Well, they're going to sit here in the dining room for my spring and Easter decor. And so like I had mentioned, we will be having our Easter dinner here this weekend with our family from out of town. And so I will be setting the table this weekend, but I won't be able to share it in this video because I'm still waiting on some things to come in. But I was able to pick up some pretty napkins from Home Goods. And these are so adorable. I placed them with the plates and one of the place settings, and they are just beautiful. And so they are so perfect for spring. They have the pretty bird's nest with the eggs, and I love the neutral background. The script is really pretty, and the colors are perfect for my dining room. I also had some solid napkins from previous years that coordinates with them perfectly as well. Okay, so I also picked up a really pretty wreath, and this came from Home Goods. Okay, so I think the wreath is really pretty. It has all the pretty colors for spring. Now, they are a little saturated for my home, but I think on the outside, it will look okay. I love the burlap bow, and the test will be what it actually looks like when I put it outside. So, yeah, we're gonna place it on the door, but it is raining, so I won't be able to take you guys outside. So here in the living room, I'm going to add a little spring touch to the Ottoman, and I'm going to keep it light and simple. So I love adding a throw to my Ottoman, and I picked up this beautiful throw from Home Goods. It's in a very pretty, soft, it says it's polyester cotton and cotton blend, but it has the look of cashmere, a very luxe look. I think it's very pretty and elegant, and I love the color, how it warms up the other neutral tones. So let's go ahead and move to another area. Okay guys, so when it comes to spring in the kitchen, I love to bring in some fresh flowers. So I'm going to head over to Sam's and see what I can come up with. Normally my trees would be in bloom and I would grab something from the trees, but because we're doing this a little early, I don't have any trees in bloom, so let's see what I can come up with at the Sam's Club. Okay guys, so I went with the astamarias and the hydrangeas, and you can never go wrong with the eucalyptus. So, and of course I got some fruit. If you have guests, you can never go wrong with fruit. Okay guys, so I had an idea, and I took all of the fruit that I bought today and I placed it in my oversized dough bowl, and I think it looks really cute. And of course, by the time they get here, the bananas should be nice and ready. And then as far as the berries, I placed them in a colander, so if I want, I can pick up the bowl and place them in the refrigerator. And then I line the bottom of the dough bowl with wax paper. Now, as far as the small powder bath, there's not much that I can bring into the space that speaks spring, but I did bring in some fresh eucalyptus. Now, basically, because I am having guests this weekend, I wanted this small bath to remain functional. So I wanted to be sure that they had hand soap and paper towel, and then extra toilet paper. I also wanted to be sure that they had room spray, lotion, and of course a candle. Now, the hand towel is not functional, but it does serve as a reminder. Now, I do like to have the decorative hand towels, but when you're going to have guests in your home for an extended period of time, it's just not practical. So I do like to pull out the paper towels. And if you don't like the look of the paper towel on the roll, you can always tear off a few sheets per day and place them in a tray. Now down here in my lower level bathroom, it's not used as much, and so I do bring in some nice little hand towels for my guests. And of course, you guys know I'm always going to burn a candle. Now, if you guys have not seen my quick little toilet paper flower demonstration, stop by my guest bathroom makeover for a quick demonstration. And so here in my lower level family room, I really didn't change much. I just added some spring flowers. Okay guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. So I hope you enjoyed my quick spring tips and ideas. for your home. And so guys, I hope that I'm able to share some footage from this weekend as well as an updated house tour. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys at my next video. Bye-bye. Have a wonderful weekend.